Now let's start talking about some basics of the Sculptris program. Before we get going, I would like to discuss a couple of common issues that may arise when you're working with this program, just so you don't freak out if they happen. Now, on rare occasion, the sculpture tools in Sculptris will stop responding even though you can still use navigation to rotate, pan, or zoom. This is a randomly occurring issue, which means I can't show it to you, but if it happens, don't freak out. Just save your work, quit the program, and then restart. Everything should work fine after that. On even rare occasions, the whole program might crash. Again, I don't want you to worry too much about this. Sculptris does autosave about once per minute, so just reopen the program and your work and you should be good to go. All right, now that that's out of the way, let's discuss the interface of Sculptris. When you open up the Sculptris program, you will see a view something like this. By default, the program populates the window with a sphere, which you can think of kind of like a lump of clay. At the top of the screen are the program controls, which are very minimal for this software. Basically, you have essential functions like hide and quit located under the Sculptris menu, and then options for controlling the window located under the window menu. The commands you're most likely to use under Window are Enter Full Screen or Exit Full Screen, which allows Sculptris to either fill your monitor or not, depending on what you prefer. Now in the Sculptris window itself, at the upper left, there is a palette of tools. These are what you will use to do everything from importing objects to pulling and pushing the digital clay. You're welcome to play around with these to see what they do, but you're also free to wait. I'm actually going to go over each one in upcoming tutorials. When a tool is selected in Sculptris, there is also a tool-specific menu that appears at the top of the window. Again, I'll talk about what the various sliders and toggles do in a later tutorial, but for now, just be aware that they exist. Also at the top are some buttons for brush, material, and paint. You can just go ahead and ignore these for now.